To find the greatest common factor of two numbers, I have to do two separate factor rainbows and then compare them to see what is the greatest number that is the factor of both numbers. So in here, they give the example 12 and 16. There are all the factors of 12. 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. For 16, 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and then 4 times itself. Now, I want to say, okay, what is the highest number that is a factor of both? So I want to start working down. 12 is not present in both. 6 is not present in both. 4 is present in both. So my GCF would equal 4. My greatest common factor is 4. Find the greatest common factor of 9 and 30. Down a little bit. I have to first list all my factors of 9 and 30. 9, I have 1 times 9 and 3 times itself. For 30, I have 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, and then 5 and 6. I work my way inwards to find these factors so I don't mess up. 1 goes all the way to 30, 2 goes to 15, 3 goes to 10, and 5 goes to 6. Now we've met up. I know I'm done finding my factors. Now to figure out what is the greatest common factor of these two numbers. I'm going to do my short list because it's easier for me to work with. 9 is not present in both, but 3 sure is. My greatest common factor of 9 and 30 will be 3. It's the largest number that can go into both numbers. About 12 and 4. I have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and I've met up. 4, I have 1 times 4, and 2 times itself. Now I have to work backwards and see what my greatest common factor is. I start from here. 4 is present in both. It happens for this one that my highest number in my 4 factor will also be present in both and be the greatest common factor. That's how you find the greatest common factor. On the back is just a kind of shorthand way of doing it rather than me giving you the scaffolding. To find the greatest common factor of 15 and 30, I'll list my factors. 15 equals 1 times 15. 2 doesn't work. 3 times 5 works. 4 doesn't work. So those are my factors. For 30, I have 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. Now I have to work backwards and see what my highest one is. 15 is present in both. So 15 is my greatest common factor of 15 and 30. That's how that works. If you have any questions about greatest common factor, please let me know. It's an essential skill that we need moving forward.